Using TripAdvisor gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to enjoy travel experiences and services. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card effectively. Step 1. Check your gift card balance. Before using your TripAdvisor gift card, visit the TripAdvisor website to check the balance. This will ensure you know how much you can spend. Step 2. Choose your experience. Browse through the TripAdvisor platform to select the experience, activity, or service you wish to book. This could include tours, attractions, or accommodations. Step 3. Add to cart. Once you have selected your desired experience, add it to your cart. Make sure to review the details and confirm that it meets your preferences. Step 4. Proceed to checkout. Go to your cart and click on the checkout option. You will be prompted to enter your payment information. Step 5. Enter gift card information. During the payment process, look for the option to enter your gift card code. Input the code exactly as it appears on the card and apply it to your order. After following these steps, you should be able to successfully use your TripAdvisor gift card for your chosen experience. Enjoy your travels.